Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you a Windows transformation video. Well, I haven't been doing these videos for quite a long time now, so I thought I'd do you a brand new one. This is Windows 2000 transformed to Windows XP. This was of course done in a virtual machine, like always. Now I'm using new video capture software called Camtasia, and it is free. CD Soft somehow ain't working. It ain't coping with the microphone on the webcam, so that's mainly the reason why I haven't been doing these videos for so long. So yeah. Anyways, sorry about this. Anyways, and this is also the first time I've gotten a Windows transformation video on Windows 7, what I've installed very recently. And sorry about that little pop-up there. That was just a thing there. Anyways, here's the Windows XP boot screen, which I did with Bootskin. I didn't grab the ntrskRNL.exe file straight out of XP. I just got a skin from Bootskin and put it in, really. It's quite nice. So as you can see, Windows XP Professional, Source Pack 3, all this stuff here. Okay. I'm gonna mute. I've muted the sound because it's gonna be a bit laggy. Anyways, here is the Windows XP logo and everything, which I got the images straight out of msgina.dll. I've even got its bar too, which is quite nice. Wait, is it that laggy? Yeah, it's laggy. Sorry, but I don't know if you heard that, but that was the boot up for XP. It does have the XP sounds on it, so that's good. So you even got the XP wallpaper too. I'll get more onto it in a minute, really. So as you can see, here is Bliss. Okay, this thing I'll talk about in a minute. This is quite good, what I did here. I'll wait for something else to come up. Sorry, it's playing me up on here. There we go. Sorry about that. Anyway, so I've got the official styles from Window Blinds 4 and Object Bar, which came in the pack I used. Usually what I did I got the pack from a site called Indestructibles, and then I just pretty much did a bit more and went all out and modified it to make it look like XP. Anyway, so here's the theme. I did this with Windows Blinds and Object Bar. As you can see, it's even got the XP theme all around the windows too, which is quite nice. So yeah, that's quite good. As you top, and I've modified the getting started, so it says register Windows XP, register your copy of Windows XP Professional will help Microsoft give you the best possible product update, the right software upgrades, and the most relevant product information. Discover Windows XP. I kind of modified this a little bit and put instead of like, oh, sorry about this. Sorry about that. Yeah, apologies, that keeps coming up. Anyways, getting on my nerves now. As you can see, I can't, instead of Discover Windows 2000 tour, I put the Windows XP tour. And actually, I'll get back to that in a minute, because I did a little something here. Connect to the internet, stuff like that, and yeah. The images here are the same though. But I was too lazy to modify them, so, you know. And yep, that's that. It's even got the XP start menu. You know. Accessories and all that. Which is quite nice. So as you can see, you've got like drop down bars, like my documents, my music, mod photos. They're just photos of stuff that I needed to replace. Pictures, and my computer, and the control panel. I'll get back to that in a minute because this was a cool idea. Okay. You know, it's got all sorts of things. Of course, the game started, got modified. But yeah, again, where I got this was Windows blinds and object bar. In fact, I'll show you where the pack is. It's here. It was from indestructibles.com, and it's called Theme XP. You have to put it on your C drive, and it comes with a whole bunch of stuff, which is quite nice. And then after I did everything, I pretty much took it a step too far. Well, pretty much took it a step to the extreme and just modified the whole entire operating system. Unfortunately, I didn't put a full-on log on screen on it. I really didn't want to use Windows Neptune because I've heard how buggy it is. So I just said, nah, you know, I'm gonna do it on normal Windows 2000. I mean, why do it on a beta? It'd just be silly. Anyways, internet, your usual internet, and such and such. Now, I'll show you a pretty cool thing I've done here, which also includes the tour. First, I'll show you the little explorer thing. In Paint, I kind of tried my best at modifying this just to make it look a bit like XP, with its like blue outer line and the light blue outer line with a little drop down list and all that. I just wanted some of that, really. You know, I think it looks cool. So yeah, I tried my best at doing that, but I did it. Oh, and another thing I also done. I modified this, the SYS DM file, you know, the system information file in System32. I modified it to make it look like XP. Even got the XP logo, Microsoft Windows XP version 2002, says pack 3. Unfortunately, the numbers came up there, so it doesn't really make room for there, but oh well. And such, you know. It's pretty much the same thing, really. And another thing I also done was this. So, oh, and by the way, the wallpapers, I also I replaced the entire wallpapers with XP ones. So just show you here. You know, you got Essence, Autumn, which I like that wallpaper, it's quite good. Red Moon Desert. My favourite one, Vortex Space. This one's my favourite out of all the Windows XP wallpapers. I quite like it. And Stone Edge. That's good though. They're all good though. I like them. Okay. Help and support is being really slow and crappy on me, so I'm going to pretty much go onto it on my own. So I replaced the whole entire help file with Windows XP files. Where is it? Okay, this is weird. Oh, there they are. Yeah, so these are I've replaced these with Windows XP ones, which are good. Here they are. And I'll double click on one for you. Oh. Okay, oh, I clicked on the wrong one. I think it's this one. Compiled HTML help file. There we go. So usually I just replace these with XP ones. It went quite good. And another thing that I done. Oh, and just show how I done this. I pretty much got most of the images and all that out of my XP hard drive. So actually my XP hard drive came in good use for this. Anyways, another thing that I can also show is well, I'm gonna just get the tools very quickly. Just look for Tor here. There we go, Tors. I've got the MM Tor and HTML Tor. So the MM Tor is the one I'm going to be showing you right now. Sorry for the buggy sound, but you're just going to have to make use of it. So yeah, here it is.
Welcome to Windows XP from Microsoft, the new version of Windows that brings your PC experience the best.
And this is actually the XP Tor running in Windows 2000.
See for yourself how easy Windows XP is to use. Take this free tool. To begin the tour, click any selection.
And you can click any selection, of course, like for example Windows XP Basics. Deadly easy.
Friendly new screens, simplified menus, and a whole lot more. Discover Windows XP's fresh, streamlined design. Get acquainted with key tasks Windows desktop uses
Yeah, we know.
Windows.
Yeah, you get the whole point. Put my webcam back. Yeah, so there it is, and you know, there is everything and stuff like that. Okay, HTML tour. This is a just HTML usually. Stuff like connected and all that. I found some really interesting photos in the HTML tour though. I think I'll show you some of them. Let's see. No, ain't it? Let's see here. Fits desktop screenshot. There we go. Okay, so here's a very interesting photo. I know it's got nothing to do with what this is, but I can identify that this photo is actually from Windows Whistler. Because this is a very interesting snapshot. Because you know you got Paint, Internet Explorer, and Printers and Other Hardware. It just looks like it's actually Windows Whistler. If you look very closely, it's 2428. So they've definitely got. This is definitely some leftovers of the Whistler tour, at least. Yeah. Sorry, I was just going to just show you a little something there. I thought it's pretty interesting though. Pretty interesting to look at. So anyways, connected data, whatever it is. Data protection inside and out. Let the wizard do the work. XP basics. You've got stuff like the Windows desktop ending your session and all that. It all works, which is good. So yeah, you've got all sorts of stuff. Yeah. So this does work here too. So like the application, the Avatar, it does work like the Avatar. So you know, but it's HTML, so you expect it to work. But yeah, so yeah, my final thoughts, yeah, I like it. It's brilliant. It is quite good, and a person that this is inspired from is 2008 Windows Vista. He did this a while back, and it inspired me to do it. So you know, I thought I'd do my own. So I thought it'd be good. Anyway, so that's kind of a little shout out for you too, because you do some good videos, transformation videos and whatnot, and you actually got me to like Vista, which is pretty good, because after looking at your videos, I noticed how good Vista actually is. So, you know, I like to say, well, thanks for making me like Vista, and you know, I love Vista now. But yeah, they're good operate. It's a good operating system. Yeah, I like it. So, anyways, that is about it. Thank you very much for watching. So, yeah. So, on that bombshell, it is time to end. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Comment, like, and subscribe if you like my videos. And thanks again.